Who goes there? Oh, you're here for the video. I shall be letting ye in then. Enjoy. Scallywags.
Hey, welcome back to RC3D. I had a lot of fun making that introduction with the Skull door knocker. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that because this file online is made by STL Flicks, I believe, which you can subscribe to. But they do sell their files sort of individually on Cult3D. I'll put the link for this file in the description if this interests you. But in this video, I'm going to go through my painting technique to get this fella like this. So this is probably one of my first videos on the channel where I'm kind of going off track a little bit and I'm just doing something random. I really like the file for this, so I thought, why not? I'm going to make it anyway. I'm going to paint it anyway. And I'm probably going to put this on my son's bedroom door or something because, yeah, he'd love this. And yeah, I mean, it was quite an easy print. You just print it all out in one thing on my build plate. I printed this at, I might have even scaled it up a little bit. I'm not sure. This might have been, I don't know, it could have been 100%. I printed this off ages ago and I've been meaning to get round to painting it. So yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the rest of the video.